Welcome to the low and slow grilling mode, the mode of your Keveri H1 that operates between 210 and 270 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for slow cooking and smoking briskets, pork ribs, pulled pork, picanha, and many more. This mode is inspired by the tradition of slow cooking and smoked dishes. Your Keveri H1 in this grilling mode is able to give you the experience of having multiple grilling devices in your home. If you don't believe me, I will show you how. The vertical smoker is a Texas barbecue classic. It's easy to use, it allows a lot of capacity, it's stable, and the results are incredible. It's an incredible way to simplify the use of the traditional and much loved offset smoker. To use your Keveri H1 as a vertical smoker, you need to place chunks of wood on top of the charcoal and a deflector or boiling water pan on the first grill rack over the charcoal. This way, the fire is distributed evenly and indirectly, generating smoke and humidity in the cabin. Now enjoy a stable temperature for many hours. Using the vertical smoker is perfect for brisket, ribs, and all the Texas classics. Another traditional North American barbecue style is the Carolina barbecue. The main difference between Texas barbecue is that there is neither a deflector nor a wet cabin. The fire is direct and with long distance between the embers and the food. Your Keveri H1 is perfect for that, and its tall cabin allows the perfect distance. To use your Keveri H1 as a pit smoker, you must place chunks of wood on top of the charcoal and mainly use the top grill rack for placing your food. By not using a deflector or water pan, your preparation will be cooked with direct heat at low temperature. You will achieve a different result, very juicy, soft, and smoky. It is perfect for pork, whole chicken, and all the recipes you will want to do. If you want to avoid emitting smoke, your Keveri H1 is the best option. To use your Keveri H1 as a smokeless grill, you must use a deflector or water pan on the first grill rack over the charcoal and avoid using chunks of wood. The secret is that the dripping of your food does not fall directly over the coal. The water pan and indirect heat will help you achieve it without any effort. Your H1 will have your back in any situation where you must avoid smoke. I have a few tips for you. First, if you have many guests and you're doing a large and time-consuming preparation, you can cook faster cuts on the lower rack as close to the grill as possible. So you will be taking advantage of the same heat for two different cooking operations. It's a new kind of multitasking. Second, whenever you open the main door, the temperature will drop a bit, but don't worry, this temperature recovers quickly and you shouldn't make any adjustments. Just have a little patience. The temperatures in low and slow mode are low, so you can use almost any kind of implement. We recommend using thin metal aluminum cookware, since this will not affect the temperature that much. Although you can use cast iron, but due to its large mass, it tends to lower the temperature of your Keveri H1 a bit. Nothing to worry about. And we do not recommend using plastic or glass cookware. Never. Low and slow is perfect for larger cuts, since the food is perfectly cooked and juicy, but it's not the ideal mode for thin cuts. If you are only cooking thin cuts, we recommend using the classic or fast grill modes. Thank you for watching this video. Now I'm gonna teach you how to light your Keveri H1 for this low and slow mode. See you there!